Mamaroneck readers, this is Miss Cohen coming to you from the Homix Library. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a personalized list of ebooks and audiobooks in Sora. So the first thing I'm going to do is go down to the Explore tab and find a book I'd like to add to my list. I'll add this audiobook. So I'm going to click on the cover to open more details, and I'll notice that right underneath the book cover, there is Add to List. When I click there, there will be some lists already made for you. A wish list, maybe these are books that you would like to read. A thumbs down, books that you didn't like or don't want to read. And thumbs up, books that you might consider in the future. Or you can create a new list. I'm going to create a new list right now and call it My Books on Deck. And click Save. This book is now on my Books on Deck list. To access lists, you're going to go to your shelf and click Lists right here at the top. And here it is, Books on Deck. I can click to view all of the books. So that's how you make a personalized reading list on Sora. Happy reading!